Hello, I'm Jodi Ginsberg of Ginsberg Law Offices, and I wanted to speak with you today about the posted panel of physicians and whether or not you're entitled to one free switch of those doctors on the panel. As I've mentioned previously, the employer-insurer in the state of Georgia must have a valid posted panel of physicians with 6 doctors on it, one of which must be an orthopedist. There are some variations on that if you live in a particularly rural area and there cannot be 6 doctors within a particular amount of miles, but normally it's 6 doctors. If there are 6 doctors on the panel, and if that panel has been properly shown to you and explained to you, then you are entitled to have one free switch from the doctor you're seeking care with to another doctor on the panel. I always ask my clients or potential clients to call me and always write down all of the doctors on that panel with their addresses and phone numbers. First, so we can call those doctors that are listed to make sure that indeed they still are in practice, they're still at that address, and the phone number is still proper. Because if they're not, then that panel is no longer valid, and we can argue it's not a valid panel and we can control the medical. However, if in fact there is a valid panel, 6 proper doctors, 1 is an orthopedist, 6 different locations, and you are not happy with the particular doctor you're treating with, we are automatically allowed to speak with the insurance company and get you switched to another doctor on that panel. Since we've been practicing law for 25 years in the state of Georgia, we are very aware of most of the doctors in the state. And so I always like for you to convey that information to me so I can better direct you to a doctor who may be more of a specialist in dealing with the type of injury that you may have. Always remember, you're entitled to one free switch on the panel, and don't let the insurance company tell you that you are not. Any questions on this issue, you're certainly welcome to call me at 770-351-0801, and we're happy to help.